Hi, I'm Katie Oldknow and I'm Head of Design at COEL. This is Oxford Ionics, a 30,000 square feet commercial office and quantum computing lab.
So when we first reached out to COEL, we knew that we were going to need to expand significantly over the next couple of years, and an opportunity had come up for this space, which is 30,000 square feet, just up the road from where our original office and team and technology were all based. So it was a really good fit for us, but we needed to make sure that the way that we designed and fitted out the space was really what we needed. And there's two parts of that, one of which is making a space which is really comfortable for people to work day to day. So that's more about making a space which is really practical and appealing and has lots of nooks and crannies where people can go and think and work in different ways, places where people can come and work together. But also downstairs in the laboratories and system halls, actually a space with quite technical needs of providing all of the technology that we need within the building to be able to build up and run the quantum computers that we're developing down there.
So what was important in the design and the overall layout of the space was ensuring that all aspects of the workforce had space to do their jobs appropriately. We've got quite large meeting spaces that seat up to 20 people. We've got flexible space that has an operable wall incorporated, and adjacent to that we also have a town hall space. Lots of different options and opportunities for people to do what they need to do and have the facilities there and the infrastructure to support that.
So one of the nicest things about having this new space, especially at the moment while we're increasingly talking to investors and potential customers, partners, is that we've been able to bring them into this new and exciting place, which really says a lot about who we are and our ambition. Almost everybody who comes in without missing a beat just says, "This place is amazing, aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky to work here?" For me, that's like the sweet spot. So being able to create a space which is seen as being that for our employees is really important to me, because that's what I want to give them, is a space that feels amazing for them coming into work every day, and for all of the potential people that we might be working with to see how much we look after our people and how ambitious we are in our needs and our brand.
On the ground floor at Oxford Ionics, we have the actual labs themselves. Within the lab space, there's some very complex M&E coordination required, and also working with the client to establish exactly what their needs are. This was a custom-built project for the client, and their first opportunity to really express themselves and to provide every single thing that they need to do their jobs and to do them as well as they do.
So working with COEL from the beginning has been really, really lovely. They've been incredibly good at coming up with really, really good ideas, but also great at listening to us. The building was actually getting built while we were designing, and while that was ongoing, our needs were changing, our ideas were changing, and COEL was so accommodating for the different ideas and thoughts that we had and the different things that cropped up along the way. So over the course of a 6-month build, we didn't slip a day. We moved in on the day that we said we were going to from the day we started. So it's been a really smooth working relationship.
Throughout the design process with Oxford Ionics, we stayed very, very close to the client's team, which I think has proved fruitful. We've got an amazing project that the client has been so involved with from day one, and guiding us, but also having that very open, collaborative kind of two-way street, really. And I think that the project has been successful for that reason, that we stayed very close to the client.